Assalamualaikum my dearest kids of class 2. I am your teacher Miss Aisha again with an virtual lesson organized by our school Metropolitan. Today my dear students, we are going to talk about animals. Animals are those who live on grass, they live on land, they also fly, they also walk in the ground, and they also live in water. There are so many types of animals. Here in front of you are some tortoise. They live on complete ground. These are not turtles my dear students. ये turtles नहीं हैं. Turtles पानी में रहते हैं, लेकिन these are tortoise and they live completely on land only. Let's move towards another animal, which is a dog. There's a dog in front of you, right? And dogs completely live on the ground. There are so many animals in this world. Some of them lives on the ground. Just I have shown you there are so many animals that live in the water like fish, and there are so many animals that fly, and we categorize those animals as birds. But my dear students, there are some birds that cannot fly. They are called running birds, like our ostrich, turkey, and there are some animals that live on both in water and in ground as well. So let's move forward. Yes students, the animals in front of which I am right now belongs to the family of birds, but these are called the aves because they cannot fly further. ये बहुत ज़्यादा दूर तक उड़ नहीं सकते. They have the characteristics of birds. They have feathers, but ये बहुत दूर का सफ़र नहीं fly कर सकते क्योंकि इनका weight बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. They can fly a very small duration or distance. ये जो हैं ये walk करते हैं. And they also run on the land. ये जितने भी आपको इस वक्त दिख रहे हैं ये birds तो हैं, but they do not fly. They have feathers, but because of the body weight they cannot fly enough. As you all can see at the back over there are some sparrows. Because वो लोग बहुत छोटी छोटी सी होती हैं, उनका body weight नहीं होता है, इस वजह से वो fly करती हैं. Now we are moving towards some birds. Here you can see we have some grey parrots in the cage. Grey parrots, जैसे आपको पता होगा, parrots can fly because they have lighter body weight. ये वो birds होते हैं जो actual में fly करते हैं, जो बहुत ज़्यादा distance cover करते हैं. You can see they are high up in the cage. वो ज़मीन पे नहीं है. Most of them are on the cage here and there above the ground. But ये लोग ज़मीन पे ज़्यादा देर नहीं रहते. They can fly. My dear students, we are about to talk about the special parts of some animals. As you all can see, there are some ducks in front of you. Ducks are those who live on the surface level of the water and on the land as well. Ducks जो हैं वो पानी के surface level पे रहती हैं और लैंड पे भी आती हैं. एंड एज यू ऑल कैन सी दे हैव वेब्ड फीट्स. आपको नज़र आ रहे होंगे नीचे उनके वेब्ड फीट्स, राइट? सबको नज़र आ रहे हैं? ये जो है इनके थ्रू स्विम करती हैं अंडर द वाटर. जो इनके वेब्ड फीट्स होते हैं, जैसे कि हमारी फिंगर्स के बीच में गैप होता है, इनके फीट्स के बीच में कोई गैप नहीं होता, विच हेल्प्स देम इन स्विमिंग एंड वॉकिंग ऑन द ग्राउंड एज वेल. These are the special parts. These feet are the special parts of duck. Okay students, we were talking about the special body parts of some animals. Here I am standing in front of a giraffe, and as you all can see, a giraffe has a long neck which helps him in having the leaves of some trees which are high up in the sky, right? ये जो इसकी लॉन्ग नेक होती है ये इसको हेल्प करती है इन फीडिंग, राइट? ये जो होते हैं ये ट्रीज़ के जो ऊपर लेवल पे लीव्स लगे हुए होते हैं उनके थ्रू अपनी फूड खाता है. जो ये लीव्स खाते हैं वो होते हैं ट्रीज़ के अपर लेवल पे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, As you all can see, I am standing in front of an elephant, and as you all can see, this is the trunk of an elephant. With this trunk, he breathes, he trumps, and he also grab things. जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा टीवी में कि एलिफेंट जो होता है वो डिफरेंट चीज़ों को ग्रैब भी अपनी ट्रंक के थ्रू करता है, राइट? तो दिस इज द स्पेशल पार्ट ऑफ एन एलिफेंट अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट्स huge body. Class 2, here we are in front of a crocodile. This crocodile belongs to the wild family of animals, those animals which live in the jungle. As you all can see, there are 2 crocodiles in this cage, right? And these are the animals which live on the land as well in the water. We have talked about many animals, those that can fly, that lives on the water, that lives on the ground, and we also talk about the wild animals. Now we are going to talk about the domestic animals. Most of the domestic animals are our pet, जो हम पालते भी हैं, like dogs, cow, parrot, fish, cat, which we can keep in our home as well, right? After that, some of the domestic animals give us food, like cow give us milk. After that, there are many animals through which we get flesh, जिनका मीट हम खाते हैं, right? And then there are birds like hen, like duck, जो हमें eggs provide करते हैं. And after that, there are some animals through which we get our clothing material, like silk. We get silk clothes from silkworms, and we get leather from cows. And there's another animal through which we get our sweaters. आजकल सर्दियाँ आ रही हैं, you all wear sweaters, but do you guys know कि वो स्वेटर आता कहाँ से है? We get it from the sheep. sheep के ऊपर जो उनके फर होते हैं, हम उनको प्लक आउट करते हैं, उसके थ्रू हमारे स्वेटर्स बनते हैं. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. I, your teacher, Miss Arisha, will be waiting for you in the very next exciting lesson. So don't miss the next video from your school. Stay home, stay safe.